Alright, these are the low-rise elevators at the West Las Vegas at Mandalay Bay. Okay, that indicator's frozen. You guys have a good one. This indicator does not work, so. This button's kind of broken. This is just frozen on one. Here, Otis fixtures. These are smart key carded, so I can only ride to my floor. That door is kind of wide open. All right, is there anybody waiting? Nope. Send you off. That one's also on my floor. That's a Vandal resistant call button. So you can only. Oh, what the? This one's unlocked. Excuse me? Can't cancel all the floors. That's weird. Hey, I want to test something. This elevator's unlocked. This. Oh. Why are you not letting me go down? There we go. Stopping again. Ah.
Come on. Thank you.
Oh, nasa mo tayo sa baba. You guys,
It's okay, it should be ready.
Oh, okay.
Anybody gamble?
Yes.
Win, lose.
Yes.
Oh no.
I know.
Did you win?
Oh, we haven't
yet.
We haven't yet. Are you coming out here?
No.
Okay.
Yes,
I guess someone was trying to get on, but I guess they couldn't.
Smoke.
But
Little stinky.
change. Okay. You okay? You okay?
Little itty bitty self.
Oh, yeah.
Have a good day, guys.
You too. Good luck to.
Alright, go to 18 because that's my floor. Lo and behold, I found one that's open. They're nice elevators. I think they're identical to the other tower. Can I ring the bell? I love that. Nope, it didn't come back. Alright, whatever. It's fine, I got it. Alright, that's it.